So, uh, diagnosing HPOP. 100 pounds of 120 pounds of shop air into the IPR fitting. STC fitting. Mine was blown. This is the one that came off the truck, and I think that might have caused my no start problem. I have a leaking injector as well. So I decided before buying a bunch of parts to test the HPOP. Because I heard air in my crankcase valley or crankcase period, and it was coming through the air filter. So what I'm thinking now is that maybe because this was broken and separated like this, well, the air used to come out and pressurize the crankcase, and that's why in my previous video, as I was blocking one side or unblocking the next, air was coming out. I don't think it's the leaking injector pressurizing the crankcase so much, especially not at how fast the air was leaking out. I mostly think it's this STC fitting. So what I did is I marked the pump. Now I have no idea if these are any, well, no. I know these are the piston strokes or the check valves, or I don't know what's opening or closing. And I numbered them, but they're not necessarily the right order or anything like that. So what I did is I marked the top of the pump to see if anything was going to shoot back here, or if I was hearing air leak out of the oil pickup hole. And if that was the case, then probably a check valve is bad, and the pump probably needs replacing. I checked to see if there was anywhere I could open it up or take off some plugs to see if the check valves are accessible, but I don't think so. I don't think it's meant to be opened, and I understand why not, because where it's situated in the engine, if this thing opens up, well, kaboom. So anyways, let's see the pump turning now. So one turning it in reverse, I hear this inside. Here seems to be okay, but if I turn it the other way, which I don't even know which way it's supposed to turn in the engine, I didn't verify with cranking the engine to see which way it's going to turn, but here we can listen what it does. So is that an indication of anything? I have no idea. And next test I'm going to try to do is put oil inside as suggested by Hydro, I think it was, and try to see if it pumps out oil, or if I could build pressure in all 4 cylinders, or try to find a way to test a rig a test fitting inside here, a pressure gauge or something, and see what's going on while I rotate and it's full of oil, and find somewhere to cap this off so it can bleed back and has to build pressure and shoot up the gauge. So that's it. Thanks.